In this video, I am going to show you how to add open to work on LinkedIn profile. So you'll have to go to your linkedin.com on any browser that you want. Once you do so, you should be taken here. So as you can see, are you looking for a job now? So you can click on yes example, and here they'll tell you to edit your job preferences and stuff. I don't care about that. And of course, no thanks. And what I'll need to do is simply go to my profile. And as you can see here, I have already open to work on my profile. Of course, for you, if you don't have it, you want to add it, you can simply click on it, click on frames, and here you may have not have anything. You may have hiring. You want to add open to work, just select here and click on apply. So as example, let's say I have this. So I'm not going to remove it, open to work from my profile because I have it. So, okay, let me just go and remove it, or let's just go and do the original. And yeah, remove existing frame. Now I'm just going to click on its frames, example, open up to work, apply. And as you can see, they will tell you to edit your job preferences. Once you do so, you can edit your job preferences, example, whatever you want, full-time and stuff and stuff. So here, just go and click on save. And now, of course, you can update the settings to receive like notifications and stuff if somebody like try to hire you. I'm just going to click on no thanks. And here, what you'll need to do is go now, as example, click on open to. And here, as you can see, hiring, providing services, or finding volunteers. So providing services, showcase services you offer to new client that can discover you. Continue, as you can see. So here, all the other stuff that you maybe do, click on publish, as example. So of course, you'll have to select stuff. I'm just going to select random stuff, publish. Of course, I'm just going again to do random stuff here. If you want to add an example so people can know, as example, what you do, and then just go back to my profile. So let me just go back here to my profile right away. And here's an example. If you scroll down, you'll find here this open to work on the job preferences. Of course, you can always click here and edit it however you want. But for me, it's already added once I added this frame and this open to and stuff. So yeah, of course, you want to remove it, you can click here and remove it as an example from your profile. You can also remove it from here from the frame, and you can always just go here to this and remove everything. So as example, remove the job title, remove everything, and click on save as example, and you should be good to go. So as you can see, you can even click on delete if you want to delete it. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.